Assalamu alaikum. The COVID-19 effect is putting heavy amount of pressure on the globe. The small microbe or virus that originated from Wuhan city of China has put life at stake. People are dying in millions, or we may say the number of infected people touches more than 30 lakh people worldwide. It's better for us to remain in home confinement, remain stick to our books so that our valuable time may not get wasted. So, dear students, schools are shut and the government tried hard to reopen the schools in the month of August, but it seems impossible for them to reopen them before August because mass gathering of the students would separate the COVID-19 novel infection more severely. It's better for us to remain inside and restrict our movements outside so that this COVID infection can't affect us. This class 12th subject political science 73rd constitutional amendment. Yesterday a student named Kharshid called me to throw the light on the 73rd constitutional amendment. Dear students, this 73rd constitutional amendment deals with the Panchayat Raj in India. Balwant Mehta committee recommended the Panchayat Raj system in India. He is called the father of Panchayat Raj in India. It was also a dream of Mahatma Gandhi that the democracy should reach to the grassroots level and there should be a decentralization of the power. 73rd Amendment Act 1992, 73rd Amendment Act 1992 finally came into force on 24th of April 1993. So constitutional status was guaranteed to the Panchayat Raj system in India. It added a new chapter, 9th in the Indian Constitution, given from Article 243 to 243O. And in the 11th schedule, 29 subjects as provision are given there for the constitutional amendment 73rd. But what were its futures? But where so in the class of 5 or 6 minutes, I can't give you detailed futures of these provisions of 73rd constitutional amendment. First of all, this first future was that the constitutional status was guaranteed to the Panchayat Raj systems in India. First, we may say its first was the elections must held after every 5 years in the panchayats, after every 5 years in the panchayat, and there should be a three-tier system: gram panchayat at the village level, block samiti at the block level, and district samiti at the district level. Reservation was given to the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, and also reservation for women was given in the same constitutional amendment not less than 33%. A constitutional finance committee was set up our constitution for the recommendation of financial power to the panchayats. But these are the only the futures or few futures the 73rd constitutional amendment. Let me repeat again things for the you. Balwant Raj Mehta, who is also called the second chief minister of Gujarat, finally recommended Panchayat Raj system in India of three-tier. That is Panchayat, Gram Panchayat at the village level, Block Samiti at the block level, and District Samiti at the district. This Panchayat Raj in India means the decentralization of the power. The power should, our democracy should reach to the grassroots level so that the people, the local people, can take part in the decision-making policies of the government. The same act got passed in 1993 on 24th of April. It added a new chapter in the Indian Constitution, that is chapter 9, and it is from article 243 to 243O. And in the 11th schedule, 29 subjects are given there. And what were its main futures? First, its futures for its first future is that elections must held after every 5 years so that the opinion of the people will get renewed. And there should be three-tier system: Gram Panchayat at the village level, and Block Samiti at the block level, and district Samiti at the district level. Reservation should be given to the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, and also reservation should be given to the women not less than 33%. A constitution of the financial community that will give financial powers to these panchayat raj institutions. And lastly, there should be a constitution of district development board or district development board that will make the plans for the whole district. Your students, enough for today. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I shall be live again for the next class on the same amendment so that things will reach to you. Dear students, the best political books are with you, and even some good reference books of political science are available in the market. You can buy these books. You go to the market, if time permits, you buy these books and see these things on your reference books of political science, and remain stick to the books so that your valuable time may not get wasted and actual concept will reach to you. Moreover, if any query or question strikes to your mind, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number, or even email. You can email me at the rate of kgm38864 at the rate of gmail.com. Inshallah, your query or your question shall be answered within the short duration of the time. And I am always at your disposal being a teacher, because I am drawing salary from the state wire vessel or the state exchequer. It's enough for today. Tomorrow I shall be again for the same class. Till then, take care. Be blessed.